Hello, kids. This book is called A Perfect Mess. A perfect mess. Staying clean isn't easy. And most days, Henry didn't mind being messy one bit. But when he woke up Tuesday morning, he vowed that things would be different. "I've picked out your nicest shirt for school today. Please try your best to keep it clean," Mom said. "I will," Henry promised. For breakfast, Henry ate the whitest food in the fridge. He even wore his little sister's bib. Henry's mom handed him a packet of wipes, just in case, as he headed out the door. Henry carefully jumped over every muddy puddle on his way to the bus stop. Sam passed Henry a jelly donut, but Henry handed it right back, just as the bus hit a pothole. Oops! During art class, Henry was worried about spilling paint, so he asked Mrs. Williams' permission to sit in the back of the room. At snack time, Henry chose water instead of grape juice and cookies, but he tripped on Gordon's backpack. "Excuse me," Henry said. When he sat down to write an apology note, his pen stopped working, so he shook it. Splat! Lunch was going fine until Henry sprinkled pepper on his cottage cheese in the cafeteria. Achoo! Flip! Squirt! Slip! Flip! Flip! Squirt! Slip! Flip! Flip! By that afternoon, the whole class had had a run-in with Henry. But Henry had stayed perfectly clean. Then Mrs. Williams lined everyone up. "Come on, class, follow me," she said. They walked to the gym and took their places in front of the camera. "Class picture time," Henry's teacher said. "Say cheese," said the photographer. "Cheese," said the class. Henry beamed the whitest and brightest. That is, until someone yelled, "Group hug!" And everyone grabbed Henry. Henry may not have stayed perfectly clean, but he and his friends were perfectly happy at the end of the day. The end. The best friendships are a little messy. A perfect mess. Bye-bye, kids.